Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money between your accounts in RBC Bank Online. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and log into your account, and then what I need you to do is come here to pay bills and transfer funds. Now here you'll see pay with RBC accounts. You choose your from account right here, and you choose a to account. Okay, if you want, you can also add new payees. You can also do an Interact e-transfer recipient or a RBC customer account as well. And of course, you need to enter the amount, choose the currency as well, how often you want to make this transfer. If it's a recurring one, you can have that as well. This is just a one-time thing, and you can choose the date as well when you want to make this transaction. Once you're done, you can just come here, click on next, and complete the whole process. After you've reviewed the transfer details, just click confirm and it will proceed. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out.